Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Techticians. Does your PC hang all the time? Are you tired of waiting forever for your computer to load? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to show you a comprehensive guide that covers everything you need to know to get your PC running like new again. That's right. No more lag, no more frustration, just smooth, fast performance. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Let's get rid of those unnecessary prefetch files. Click on Windows plus or keys to open the Run dialog box. Type prefetch and hit OK. Select everything by pressing Ctrl plus A, keys to select all, then hit delete. Next up, let's clean out those temporary files. Click on Windows plus or keys and type in temp and hit OK. In the temp folder, select everything by the method used earlier and delete everything. Press the Windows plus or keys again, and this time type %temp% and hit OK. Then select everything in this folder and delete. Step 3. Let's use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Press Windows plus R, keys and type in clean mgr in one word. Check on the boxes and press OK. When using disk cleanup, it's generally safe to delete temporary files like temporary internet files and system error memory dump files. Windows Update cleanup files can also be safely removed, as they are residual files from old updates. It's recommended to review each category before deletion to avoid the risk of deleting critical data. Step 4. Let's make sure only necessary programs start when your computer boots up. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click on the programs you don't need at startup and select Disable. Next up, press Windows plus or keys and type appwiz.cpl. This command opens the Programs and Features window where you can uninstall programs you no longer need. Did you know that defragmenting your disk can improve read or write speeds? Press Windows plus or keys and type dfrgui. Hit OK. Select your primary drive and click Optimize. Finally, press the Windows plus or keys and type in devmgmt.msc. This command opens the Device Manager where you can update drivers or disable problematic hardware devices that might be causing performance issues. Check for any devices with warning symbols and update their drivers or address any issues. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've cleared out a ton of junk files and optimized your computer's performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Techticians, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.